Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we are going to discuss about a very special topic, that is auto blogging of Facebook pages. So if you are doing blogging on Blogger and you want that all your posts get auto posted on Facebook pages, so you are on the right place. I am going to tell you how you can do this. I am going to tell you the software. With the help of the software you can do this, and your life will be easy. You will get more time to do other works, and this software will do all your works. You can just take a sip of coffee behind uh, this. So now I start to tell you how you can do this. So guys, this is the site you are watching on the screen, ifttt.com. You have to go to this site. After that you need to sign up on this website. So you can click on get started or login. If you are using this first time, so just make account on this site, then you can do login. Account process is very simple. Just need to enter your email address, password, and your account will be created. So next you need to log into your account. So guys, after doing login, you will see the page like this. As I am watching here, I have logged into my account, and you are watching here the page as it is shown on the screen. So what you need to do next, you need to click on the three lines that are coming on the upper right corner. So simply click on this line. Here you will see the list of menus. You need to click on create here to create applet. Applet is the process you need to do for connecting your Blogger account with your Facebook page. So we are going to connect these two things. So what you need to do, first you need to click on if this add. Here you have to just add the service from where you are going to pick the post. So now you need to enter here Blogger. So you are watching here Blogger, click here, and next next you have to choose you want to make every new post, or you want to just pick any special label. So I am clicking here any new post. You can choose whatever you want. After then that here you have to add the service where you want to post automatic posts. So here I am choosing Facebook pages. There are so many services, you can choose whatever you want. So this is you are watching here coming Facebook pages I will chosen. So Facebook pages, here it is asking that you want to make status message, or you just want to create a link post. So I just want to make here create a link post. So I am clicking here. After that it is showing create a link post. So it will post here one link of your post, and if you want to enter any message, then you can add here. So I am adding here click to learn more. You can add whatever you want. I am here adding here this because if someone watch the link of my post, so the person can read click to learn more to click on the link. So I think this is the best to add. So I have added here, and after that creating action. So the action is creating, and now it is showing the final step. You need to click on continue and receive notifications when this applet runs. So if you want to receive notification whenever this action happens, so you need to click on this. You need to turn on notification tab. Just click on this and click on finish. So now this process is getting finished, and this is actually happened. So guys, you're watching here, it is showing connected. It means your Blogger account is now connected with Facebook pages. Now whenever you will make any post on your Blogger account, it will get automatically posted on Facebook pages. You don't need to post separately on Facebook page. You don't need to waste much time like doing first posting on Blogger, after that Facebook pages, then you start and Twitter. You can connect here any services. You can join here two services, and you can reduce your headache. So this software will do everything for you without any service charge. But if you want to do if you want to make more than 3 applets, then there is a paid plan. You can buy it. It is also cheap. It is not much it is not much spending. So guys, this is all thing that you need to do. It is very simple steps. So I hope you like the video. So I will meet you in the next video with some other cool information. So till then, bye bye.